Hello friends, we will continue our topic operating surplus. Operating surplus refers to income from property and entrepreneurship. Income from property includes rent and royalty and interest. What is royalty? Royalty refers to income received for granting leasing rights of subsoil assets. For example, owners of mineral deposits like coal, iron ore, natural gas, etc. can earn income by giving rights of mining to the contractors. And income from entrepreneurship, it includes profit. Profit has three components: corporate tax, dividend, and undistributed corporate profit or undistributed profit. What is dividend? It refers to that part of profit which is paid to the shareholders in the ratio of their shareholding. It is also known as distributed profits. Corporate tax. It is a direct tax paid by an enterprise to the government on the total profit earned by it. It is also known as profit tax or business tax. Retained earnings. It refers to that part of profit which is kept as reserve to meet unexpected contingencies or for business expansion. It is also known as undistributed profits or savings of private sector. So, profit is equal to dividend plus corporate tax plus undistributed profits. Now, third component, mixed income for self-employed person. Mixed income arises from productive services of self-employed persons using their own land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship in their household enterprises. These income are a mixture of wages, rent, interest and profit. So it is called mixed income. These elements cannot be separated from each other. For example, income of a doctor running a clinic at their residence, small shopkeepers, farmers, barbers, they cannot separate their accounts for compensation of employees and operating surplus. So their income is known as mixed income of self-employed persons. Compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. It is known as NDP at FC. NDP at FC is domestic income. Domestic income plus net effect income from abroad, it is equal to national income. Yes friends, check this flow chart. Domestic factor income NDP at FC. It has three components: compensation of employees, operating surplus, mixed income of self-employed persons. Compensation of employees has three components: wages and salaries in cash, wages and salaries in kind. Employers' contribution to our social security schemes. If employee contribution is given, we will ignore it. Now, second component, operating surplus. It has two components, income from property and income from entrepreneurship. Income from property has three components: rent, interest, royalty. And income from entrepreneurship includes profit. Profit has three components: distributed profit, undistributed profit, retained earning or saving of private corporate sector. Third component is corporate tax or profit tax. Now, if interest on national debt is given, we will not include in the interest because it is for the consumption purposes. It is not included in the national income. Now, if rent is given, royalty given, interest given, profit, compensation of employees and mixed income. How can we solve it? Compensation of employees are given. First of all, we will calculate operating surplus, rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit. Then we will add compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. It is equal to NDP at FC.